going to talking about the topic articles. Okay, and it is the third part of this chapters, and we have already learned about the first and second part of this chapter. In the first part, we have to know about the articles and its parts and what is the means of indefinite articles and wherever we can use the indefinite articles. And in the second part, we have know about that the definite articles wherever in which place we can use the definite articles and with condition. Okay, so it is the third part, and in the third part we have to know about the articles, and it is the in this part we have to know omissions of articles. It means we do not use the articles many of the places. Okay, so here we have to know about some of the important facts, some of the important places in a sentence wherever we do not use the articles. Okay, so I think everyone know that there are three articles word like a and the, and this articles were divided into the two parts. First part is indefinite articles. In indefinite articles we use only two words a and an articles. Both are the indefinite articles that are not used for a particular things or person. Okay, the word a and an are called indefinite articles, and because they do not point to any special person or things. And we have already learned about that the definite articles, the is known as a definite articles. You can see here the is known as a definite article because it is point to a specific person or things. Okay, and it is used as a particular places, and it is used for a particular person or things. Now next we have to know some of the important statements, some of the important facts where we do not use the articles. Okay, so let's start and know in which place we can use the articles word. That is the use, you have to learn it. Now we have to know in which place we do not learn the articles word. Okay, so first we do not use the articles before expressions like last night, last week, last years, next month. Okay, where we have to learn about that the articles of the. Okay, and we can use the articles before the phrases with the words like first, last, only, next, following and previous day. But in this topic we have to know that the articles do not use these articles. It means are definite or indefinite, both are the articles do not use before expressions like last night, last week, last year, last month, next month. Okay, so next is before the proper noun. If you have to get any proper noun in a sentence, then you cannot use any kind of the articles. Okay, for example, I am going to Australia. Okay, Australia. Here is the Australia is a proper noun. I take another example. Have you spoke to Rima? So you can see here the Rima and here the Australia. In both sentences, with both sentences, we do not use any kind of the articles. Why? Because Australia and Rima both are the proper noun. Wherever you have to quote proper noun in a sentence, then do not use any kind of the articles. One thing, when this proper noun used in a sentence as a common noun. Okay, like a Samundragupta is a Kalidas. Oh, sorry. Samundragupta is a Napoleon of India. Okay, so when the proper noun used as a common noun, then we can use articles. But when a proper noun used in a sentence, then we do not use any kind of articles. Okay, next, before the name of language, any kind of the language that mentioned in a sentence, so we cannot use any kind of the articles, like they speak Hindi quite well. Okay, so you know very well that Hindi is a language. And before the any kind of the language, we do not use articles. Clear? We do not use articles. Okay, now next is, we do not use the articles before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. For example, I do not like bananas. Okay, bananas. So you can see here in the bananas, that is the refer to the whole class. Okay, it is not to show that you are like yellow bananas and you do not like the green banana. That is not matter. It is refer, I do not, it means he completely not like the banana. So here the banana is referred to the whole class. Okay, it is the refer to their class. So we can never use any kind of the articles before these type of the words. Clear? Next is, we do not use articles before material nouns like a gold, silver, okay, paper, water. For example, gold is an expensive material. I think you know very well that the gold is a material noun. Okay, gold is a material noun. So you can see here is no use any article before these words. Okay, like the gold or a gold. Okay, so you can see here is no any use of the article, and so it is clear that we never use any kind of the articles before the material nouns. Okay, now next is we do not use any kind of the articles before abstract nouns when used in a general way. Okay, like honesty is a virtue. Honesty is a virtue. So you can see here the honesty. Honesty word is a noun word. What kind of the noun word? It is the abstract noun word. Okay, and we never use any articles before the abstract noun. You can see here the honesty, before the honesty you did not see any kind of the articles before these words. Okay, so you never use any kind of the articles before this. Clear? Now next, we do not use articles before the name of game and sports. Any kind of the name of game and sports. Like Rakesh loves playing hockey. Rakesh loves playing hockey. Rakesh loves playing hockey. In this sentence, you can see hockey is a cricket name. Okay, it is cricket game name. It is a sports name. So we do not use any kind of the articles before these type of the words. It means any kind of the games and sports. Okay, so it's clear. I think you know very well. You have been clear about that. Wherever use any game's name or any sports name like golf. Okay, golf is gaining in a popularity in India of late. Okay, so golf. Before the golf, we do not use any articles like the golf, a golf, etc. The articles if we use in a sentence that will be wrong. Okay, and wherever you see given any kind of the game's name or sports name and there is no use of article, that is the correct. Clear? It's clear. Now next is we do not use any articles word before the name of meals. Before the name of meals, you know very well about that. Meals like I ate breakfast. I ate breakfast quite late. I ate breakfast quite late. So you can see here is the meal. Breakfast, dinner, supper, etc. The refer. This type of the word refer to the meals. Okay. And whenever we can get such type of the words in a sentence, then we cannot use any kind of the articles before the meals. Why? Because it is the uncountable noun. Okay, clear? I think you know very well. Next is we do not use any kind of the articles before expression such as all day, all night, by air, and by sea. Okay. Wherever we cannot use the articles, wherever we get any kind of the word like a all day, all night, by air, by sea. Okay. For example is like the container for the Asian Games will travel by air. Clear? So this is the some of the important place wherever we do not use any kind of the articles. In certain cases there is a need to repeat an articles to make the meaning clear. Okay, some of the sentence that is the I will tell you that is the trustee and secretary arrived. The trustee and secretary. Trustee and secretary both are a single person. Okay, both word they refer to the single person. So before the word we can use the articles. Okay, and the trustee and the secretary arrived. In this sentence, you can see I write it at the board, and that is the clear. Like the trustee and the secretary. The trustee and secretary arrived. It is first sentence. Second sentence is here. The trustee and the secretary. The trustee and the secretary arrived. You can see both sentence looks similar. Okay, both sentence looks similar, but one thing is different. What is the difference? You can see here is the with the trustee you can see the articles, but here secretary with the secretary you cannot see any articles. But in the second sentence, the trustee have the articles and the secretary have the article. So wherever you can see such type of the sentence, such type of the word in the sentence, then it refers if the articles used in the first or beginning in the sentence and refer to the two words that is the mention as a that looks like a there are two person, that is not correct. Okay, both are the person, it's only one. Okay, the trustee is a person, that was secretary. Clear? Both word used for one person. So don't be confused. Okay, here is the word refer to the both word used for a one person. If the word used for both as a same way like the trustee and the secretary, then it is referred to the not for one person, it is referred to the two person. Okay, two person, not referred to the one person. Okay, the trustee is one person and another person is the secretary. Okay, so it is referred to two person, not one person. Clear? And you can see here is the and the, here is the no the, so both are the word referred to the one person. Clear? I think the first sentence implies that only one person. Okay, it is referred to the only one person who was both trustee and the secretary. Okay, but in the second sentence, okay, you will see this sentence. In the second sentence state that two person arrived. Okay, one is the trustee and second is the secretary. Clear? I hope you all understand it very well, and wherever you got the articles, then you can use easily and understand in which place we cannot use the articles. That's clear. So we thank you for the watching video.